In this video, I will show you how to link Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to check if we have an address in the Coinbase Wallet app. And to check this, we're going to click on the top left where it says address in my case. And in here, we're going to click on add and manage wallets. And right now you need to have something under wallet 1. And in my case, it's an address. And if you don't have an address yet, you're just going to click on add address, or you can create a new wallet in this Coinbase Wallet app. And what you're going to do for that is you're going to select either the passkey or the recovery phrase. And if you have something created, so an address or a wallet, the best is both. Then we can go back to Coinbase to link Coinbase with Coinbase Wallet. From our Coinbase homepage, we are going to click on transfer at the bottom right. And then here we're going to click on send crypto. And right now we can see an option connect to Coinbase Wallet. And this is the one that we're going to click on. And right now you have the option to link your address you just created or already have on Coinbase Wallet to your Coinbase account. And when you click on allow, you will link the both. And after you've done that, you will see this popping up in your section. And this means that the Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet are linked. And this means you can easily transfer between the two of them, which makes using Coinbase way easier. And if you want to select your crypto to transfer, you can also click on the passkey or the wallet key that is being created automatically. And you see it under resend in my case. When you click on this, you can start sending between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.